Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut on PC tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to delete some of cache folder file in your CapCut to free up space and boost your CapCut rendering performance on your PC without any stress. Let me show you how. One of them is your trash can. When you delete a project file, a lot of people that are using CapCut are not aware of this. The project files stay in trash bin for about 30 days. How can you delete them completely? For that, you want to make sure you navigate to the trash bin right here from the home tab. Then you see all the project file you have been deleting so far right here. So for that, simply click on them one after the other. Once you select all, then come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on this trash bin icon. This is pumping up right here. Then go ahead and click on delete. And then once you are done, click on here to close this tab. And you are done with trash bin. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and navigate to setting icon right here. Then go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is going to take you right here. You have cache file size. So all you have to do here is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. And this is going to pump up clear cache file. All you have to do at this point here, go ahead and hit on OK. And all the cache file is going to be deleted successful. So after deleting all the cache file, close the CapCut and restart your PC and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.